Hi everyone, this is Judy and welcome to Judy's Handmade Creations channel, my YouTube channel. Today I'll be using the WeRMemory envelope punch board, and I'll be making Christmas in July project, gift card project, how to make the envelopes. So these are the gift cards that I'll be giving out for Christmas, because I probably won't be doing no shopping if this is still here, this virus. I'll be giving out gift cards, and this holds your gift cards nicely. They just slip right in here, and I'll also make a note card where you can write a note on it, and they fit in here nicely. And I guess I won't be doing no shopping because of this virus, and this is what I'll be giving out for Christmas, gift cards. And these are all the envelopes. I will use a lot of Christmas paper for these envelopes, and this is a real cute Christmas paper here. And all these envelopes is handmade with the WeRMemoryKeepers. Let me pull them out, yeah. WeRMemoryKeepers, WeRMemoryKeepers envelope punch board, and it tells you a little bit right here how to make them. And we're going to be making the gift card right here, and it says you will need this is a 2 by 3.5 inch gift card holder, and you need a 5 by 5 sheet of paper, and you need to score at 2 inches. So you can, let me see if you can see it. It's got all that information right there. And this is a WeRMemory envelope punch board that I'm using. Okay, so let me cut I'm going to cut a 5 by 5 sheet of paper. I don't know what I did with my, oh, here it goes. This is a 5 by 7. I need to cut it down to a 5 by 5 inch. So I'm going to use my trimmer here, and I'm going to make this to a 5 by 5 inch. This is a 5 by 7, but we're going to make it to a 5 by 5. And there it goes. All I have to do is cut one end, trim one end off. And I'm going to move these over on the side. Drop my ruler. And like I said, it tells you a little bit here how to make it. Comes on the board. So I'm gonna get my little score here, score tool, and it says you need 5 by 5 paper, which I cut it here, and you need to score at 2. So this shows you have to line your paper up here to 2, because that's the score line. Line it up there to 2. Okay, that's 2 there. Line it up to 2. See how I got it lined up? This has to be lined up to 2, because that's what it says right here. The score line is 2. And then you would take and punch it, and then you would score it, because it's got a little score thing here. You would score, and see how it punched it out. And then you would just rotate it to the score line that you made over here. I don't know if you can see the score line there, but this little thing has to be, that line here has to be by this little point. That's the score guide. And put that there, and then you would just punch it. And you would score it again. And then you would turn where your score guide is. It says score guide here. That's where you scored it. That has to be lined up right here. And then you need to punch it and score. You need to do that all the way around. Score guide here is where you put your score line. You have to put your score line up under here. This is your score guide, like I said. Right there. See the score line? That's the score guide. Right there, that little point. And then you have to punch it and then score it again. Okay, so you got all your scoring and your punching done. And then you just turn it around and you round these corners off up under here. This is the, it says reverse punch, but just round your corners off on your envelope. See how it rounded it all? You do all four of them like it if you like, but you don't have to do that. It's optional, but I like to do it because it makes it look nicer. And it would look like that. And then you can see all your score lines here that you made. You're going to take and fold these in where your score lines are. See your score lines? I'm going to fold these in. Fold them in. And in your envelope, all you have to do is glue it. And you have a nice little gift card envelope. Put you some glue on it. So this is done. Just put your glue on there and then let it dry, and then you got an envelope. Make you a little, oh, that's not glue, is a little runny. And put your glue here. I use this kind of glue here, but you can use any kind of glue you like when you do yours, if you got the punch board. You have to get the punch board at a craft store. I got mine at Michael's. I don't even know if Michael's got them anymore. But that's where I got mine. And then you just let your glue dry, and you got a nice little gift card holder. And you take and, let me see what I give it. I don't know. I'll tell you what size the card is I put in this one. And you take and make a little card so you can write a little note on it like I did here. And this card size is, this envelope is 2.5 by, 2 inch by 3 inch. And I made this card here. I cut this card to 3.5. Is that 3.5? No, 3 1/4. I just made it a little smaller by 2 inch. And then they fit down in there nicely, and you can write a little note on that, and then purchase you some gift cards, and you're good to go for Christmas. It's a regular gift card. And yeah, these, if you're not going to be able to shop for Christmas, these would be perfect to give. You have to go to the store just one time and get all your gifts. You won't have to shop around and look for it. Let them pick out their own gift. And these are really easy to make, and you see how easy it was for me to make them. I like making my own gift cards. You can do birthday cards, gift cards. You can make them plain. You can decorate them with your die cuts. You can do anything. You can make them for birthdays, weddings, any kind that you would like to make. And these are really super easy to make. And I had my board for a long time, since it came out. Forgot when it came out, but it's been a while. And I've had it ever since. And I always use them to give out gift cards for birthdays and weddings and whatnot. I'll make my own envelopes to send out when I make my handmade cards. I make my own envelopes for those. And this machine comes in really handy for me because I use it a lot. I always make handmade cards and stuff. So this is my Christmas in July gift card envelope project. And if you like the board, go and purchase it because I use mine all the time. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I upload a video you'll be notified. And like the video and comment if you like. And thank you so much for watching. And have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. Thank you. Bye-bye.